Hi guys, welcome to another video. The Ethereum merge I had been talking about for past several months is finally here, and the biggest upgrade is gonna be starting in the next 24 hours. So that is bringing a bullish upside, which is great to see in the Ethereum's price. Cardano's hard fork is just about the corner, and that big upgrade is gonna be starting on 22nd of September. So September being bearish as it is with historic data, things are gonna be bullish at least on the networks. With Ethereum's merge and Cardano's hard fork, things are looking good for the top 5 cryptocurrencies out there. Would you like to have a TV that is connected to any kind of NFTs? Well, a smart TV connected with NFTs sounds bullish to me. LG has exactly done that, and LG's new TV is going to allow you to buy and sell NFTs right from the comfort of your sofa or bed where you can trade NFTs. So let's jump into today's chart, see what's happening in BTC, Ethereum. We're also going to look at Cardano because big things are coming. Let's start with DXY's chart, especially on the daily time frames. Just broke into the historic highs, which was about 110. It's just been trading around that range. Now back into resistance, having a retest after that breakout. A good cup and handle here, especially on the daily and 12-hour charts. Looking really good. I didn't want to see this upside because I was expecting maybe we'll see a downside on BTC. But fortunately, BTC remains sideways. USDT's dominance on the daily time frames has just been around this support box. So we had been testing it here once, twice, thrice, and the fourth time and the fifth time. So this is the fifth test going on. Something big is going to be coming very soon because about 4 to 5, maximum 6 or 7 tests are done of the critical support level. If this carries on, we would be expecting something big in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. Let's jump into BTC's 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart in the calt, we are still in this area. Not much difference. We are in this channel where we're sideways. Though we did try to wick above the 50 MA, but failed to do so. Couldn't close there, which was just around 20,163. Now we're back into these levels, which is just about $19,000. 19,700, 800. That's the range we've been trading about. If I look into the RSI, looks okay. 4 hours still is very bullish on the MACD. If we look into the price structure, we're looking at CALT around $21,000, about 20,957. And if we look into the lower band of CALT, it's about $90,000. So just about this $1,000 are going to be very crucial here. We've been trading here. For me, I still feel like on the 4 hours, it's likely we're going to go to 21,000 and 22,500 to about 23,000 before we see any kind of downside here, while our 200 moving average is just at $21,984. Gonna be very interesting. Let's look at the daily chart for BTC. So on the daily chart, the lower BB right now is at $18,352, while our upper BB is at $26,064. Our 50 moving average on the daily is at $22,208, while we are just trading in these levels, having good support from our previous support box, which we had bounced from here, and now just trading above that. So still all right, not much movement, pretty sideways just in this channel. Not much happening for BTC. Volume, as you can see, is not really there. People aren't interested in BTC right now. A lot of ETH news, so people are following what's happening with ETH. We'll see the RSI, it's all right, and that signal I was waiting for on the daily of MACD converging into a green has done that. So it's green now, and we are seeing some movement there. Not really exciting. Let's jump into the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, the 200 moving average for us, the big target to close above and trade above several weeks now, is at $23,242, while we are testing 2017 highs. It's been about here, not much action going. If we look closely, if you want to have a retest of this lower line of the bearish period flag, it's about 22,500. So that's where I feel like probably we're gonna have a retest of that before we see any downside. Likely 2019 highs are a possible zone where we might expect things to go about, but let's see what comes in the next few days. Let's jump into the ETH chart. ETH has seen a very good upside, a lot of volume coming in. A lot of exchanges now have been going to be closing trading very soon. They wouldn't want to allow any withdrawals if you're staking or moving your ETH anyhow, because the merge is going to be active here. If you look into the RSI, we are forming a bearish divergence now, which isn't really cool, but it's okay. We will expect that because volatility is going to come in now. If you look into MACD, it's looking very bullish. We are getting very close to 1700. The first take profit that I had made for myself and shared with you guys. The next one is about $1,800. 1700, 1800 are going to be very crucial in this big merge that is going to be happening. And obviously today is the day the big upgrade starts. So overall looking all right. We're now back above this channel that we had been trading for the past several days. Now likely we could have a retest of this before seeing any kind of upside. So about $1,600, about 1580 will be very important. Have bounce and then head higher, or just gonna head higher into 1700 and then probably see some correction a little here and there. Let's move into Ethereum's daily charts. On the daily chart, we are facing resistance from the worst case scenario, facing resistance from the 50 MA in the BBs. If we see here, it's exactly around about same area. 1662 will be the 50 MA, and we are trading around 1646. They try to wake above but fail to close yet. So there's about 11 hours to go in today, and let's see what's gonna be coming in store for us. So about $2,000 is our upper BB, and $1,316 will be the lower BB. We are forming a bearish divergence now on the daily time frame, so gotta be very careful here. Not expect some big volatility coming in while you're very late aping into these kind of trades. Just make sure if you have an ape in, just ignore it for now. Sorry, unfortunately you just missed it. So if we look into MACD is green, which is a very good sign. Let's expect this to come into these ranges of about $1,750 to $1,800. This is going to be very important zone I am looking Ethereum at. Oh, the big hard fork is going to be coming here very soon. So I expect some big moves to be coming in ADA as well. This was a very crucial support that was holding here. Plenty of retests going on this support level. Finally, now we're seeing a break above. We are facing resistance and also trying to convert our 50 MA into a support, trading around 0.49, just about 50 cents. I expect to move at least to 59 cents to probably also, if we see that big volatility coming in before 22nd September, somewhere around 66 cents will be a very good zone, especially on the daily time frames. The RSI is kind of forming a bearish divergence now, but can't take it like just what's happening on ETH. There's a merge here, there's a hard fork, very bullish news on the networks that could bring some volatility. The biggest question with the merge on Ethereum, will BTC and ETH compete here, and who will flip who? That's very important. So if we look at this indicator, it is at 52.1%. Ethereum is taking more control right now, is flipping BTC, which we had never seen before. So looks very interesting here. If you are excited about the merge, definitely this will make you very bullish. If you look at the total transaction fees, flipping is above 100%, never happened really before. So looks very important right now, and this is very bullish, especially for people who love ETH. I am a mixed bag right now. I do like ETH, I don't like ETH, because after the merge it's going to be very centralized, and not really a big fan of centralized systems. So I still prefer decentralized, which is the kingpin BTC. Let's move into fear and greed index. So we are at extreme fear at 22 levels. Yesterday we were at 23, just been in this range of lower 20s, as shared with you guys previously. Big news, FIFA World Cup is coming very soon. It's going to be a winter World Cup, and for a change that would be exciting. The first one in the Middle East, in Qatar. Qatar is the host, and all on top of that, the top cherry is going to be NFTs. You can get NFTs, which are going to be the highlights from the matches. This is a very bullish news. FIFA announced themselves. Really exciting times right now. Big brands, sports, everything around the world is adopting NFTs, blockchain, crypto. A great time to be in this market. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Going to be back in here very soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.